What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lazy Kicks coming back with just another video. It's another banger, y'all. You won't want to miss it. Sit back, grab some popcorn, do whatever. Just make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you stay tuned. Don't leave. Move your finger. If you're gonna do anything, like this video. Subscribe if you want to. What's good, y'all? Hey, Sneaker Mafia, what's poppin' with y'all? Don't forget, I got tees, red, black, and gray. If y'all need one, holler at me in the comment section. I'll make sure to get that out to you. $25. All proceeds go to Lazy Kicks. Anyway, y'all see what the title say? It's another Yeezy, y'all. We coming back with another Yeezy. We coming with the Marshes this time, y'all. Yeah, we coming with the Marsh. Tell me what y'all think about this colorway. Me, I like it. I like how they did the one tone all the way around the shoe, and then the sock line and everything inside the same color. But let's get into it. Outsole, translucent, that light green. Midsole, like all Yeezys. See that boost in there. Then the upper is the prime knit. What I like about this shoe, and they said this shoe is actually limited too. What I like about this shoe is that stripe. It's 3M. That stripe is 3M. Let me see if I can show you guys how they are 3M. Let's see. I don't know if that's showing up on there. I don't know if that's showing up on there, but the shoe is 3M on the stripe. Let me see if I take a picture. Hold on, let me turn this light off. If I take a picture of it, I'm sure it would do it. Let me turn the flash on. Take a picture of it. I'm not sure if it did it. If not, I'll put a picture of it right here. But that's what I like about this shoe. That the stripe, how it comes all the way up like all Yeezys and comes around. What I don't like is how it just stops on that dead point right there. They should have made it fade into it or something. You know what I'm saying? So, but this greenish colorway, as my wife called it, it looks like a poop color. Like a baby poop color or something like that. I don't know. And then you have like that burnt orange in the sock line. Green Yeezy laces. I like this shoe. I picked up this shoe from a guy in town. I picked up this one and I picked up my wife's. It was her first Yeezy. I just surprised her with it. I was like, hey, what size you think you want to wear in Adidas? And she was like 5.5. I was like, okay, cool. I'll see what I can do. So what I did was I went ahead and hit the dude up. He had both pairs. So that's what made it, like, that's what put the cake on the top. He had my pair and he had her pair. So I was like, hey, I'll take both of those. Let me get them for a good deal. He's like, shoot me an offer. I paid $520 for mine and hers. All together, $520. So it was a pretty good deal. Almost retail, I feel like. If you think about it, it was retail. But $520 for the Marshes. Tell me what y'all think about the shoe. What do y'all like it? Do y'all not like it? Like, do y'all feel like the colorways that Yeezy is coming out with is trash? Some people is like, don't buy it, or saying don't buy it until you see this video and stuff like that, and then talking bad about the shoe. I'll get you some on foot of it, and that'll be it. So remember, stay on your grind and don't let nobody tell you can't shine. It's your boy Laser Kicks, signing out.
On my 10 toes and my Air Maxes and they tied up. You ain't fuck with me, I was broke, you fucking liar. I told them hoes don't try to blow and I'm on fire. Pop up at your party, cleaner than a fucking mobster. Tryna get to know me, that's that 4 week, that's that cop stuff. Man, you is that nigga, that's that 40, do not stop ya. Lance respiratory to the story to them doctors. Wired. Hey, I hit the gas and she admire. I can't tell her nothing, she go pop what she desire. She ain't got no life, just waiting on a bitch to try her. If he let it loose, I'ma die diving for my pliers. AR and AK with matching glasses.